Facebook Twitter share. There is no doubt as to how fat shedding procedures are popular nowadays in a world that has been plagued for vanity. Among the most popularly discussed ways of making one look slim and sexy is liposuction. While liposuction has become a frequently used buzzword, a lot of people do not actually know what exactly is. Here is a short primer on liposuction. The surgical procedure known as liposuction is intended to diminish deposits of fat in the body to shape and sculpt it. This is done by using a cannula, a thin tube with vacuum suction action, to remove fat under the skin. Some procedures use a probe powered by ultrasound that breaks up small pieces of fat to make the removal easier. Liposuction can be done on various body parts, which includes the thighs, hips, the abdomen, the back, neck, buttocks and face. Depending on where bulges caused by fat deposits are located, you may have them sucked out to shape your body. Liposuction can be useful for people with big bellies, or sagging arms and things. It can also be useful for men who have larger than normal breasts. The liposuction procedure is performed by a plastic surgeon or a specially trained dermatologist. Technically, any duly licensed medical doctor may perform liposuction, so special training is not required. However, it is always safe to have liposuction performed by someone who is experienced with liposuction, and more often than not, such practitioners are those who have received special training. Since liposuction, especially those performed nowadays, is just a minor surgery, it can be performed in a doctor's office as well as hospitals and surgical centers. Many people prefer to have it done in the doctor's clinic since the place is less threatening or intimidating as big hospitals. Wherever the surgery is performed, the important matter is that hygiene should be kept as with any other types of surgeries. It is also important for emergency precautions to be available in case of any untoward incident. Thus it is beneficial to have the surgery performed where there is a hospital nearby. When looking for a practitioner to perform liposuction, it is important for one to be inquisitive. You should ask questions to the doctor about everything there is to know about liposuction until you get a good grasp of what is about to happen. While it is important to trust the practitioner doing the surgery, trust should be earned by checking how much the doctor knows about the procedure. The physician should be able to discuss not only the benefits of liposuction but the problems as well, together with all the precautionary measures to be taken. You should be watchful of advertisements that promise results that are too good to be true. When choosing a practitioner, it is also important to weigh all factors and not only to look at the cost. You should consult several doctors to make sure that you have all the options. If you inquire about liposuction, you should not be pressured to decide on it at once. This is a surgery and you should have a sound mind when deciding to take it. Once you decided to go into it, you must follow all the instructions of the doctor carefully to make sure you have a successful operation. Liposuction is not for everyone, and before you decide to have it, you have to be sure that it is for you. The dream to be slim is somewhat inevitable nowadays, and it is good that there are procedures available to make this happen. To know more about liposuction, contact your dermatologist or family physician. You may also learn from the various websites about the procedure as well as the many publications available out there.